A woman in Odessa is advocating for what she believes should be safer conditions for inmates at the Marshall Formby unit in Plainview. KLBK's Alyssa Tia spoke to the woman this afternoon. She joins us now. What are the inmates saying?
Terry, the inmates say the Texas Department of Criminal Justice aren't taking the necessary precautions when it comes to COVID-19. But the TDCJ says none of these allegations are true. A collection of letters.
It's Huntsville. It's what's going on systemically across the system.
From 6 inmates at the Formby State Jail.
Prison is designed to be tough, but with COVID, it's like 10 times worse.
JoAnna Hernandez is a friend of one of the inmates. After hearing about the conditions they claim to face in the facility, she sent the letters to state reps with her concerns.
It's not that TDCJ doesn't have COVID policies. It's just they're not always being followed. And when they're not followed, bad things happen.
The inmates claim guards are not social distancing and don't take off protective equipment when moving between units. The inmates also write some who have COVID-19 are being placed in units without any cases.
To me, it's hearing their fear.
A spokesperson for the TDCJ says these allegations are false. Inmates are given masks, and those with COVID are placed in their own unit. They're also conducting mass testing of the inmates. The TDCJ website shows the number of cases at any of their units and their protocols. TDCJ states the positivity rate for their prisons are down, currently sitting at 7.33%, lower than the positivity rate for the state. As of Monday, the unit is on lockdown with 124 active cases. The capacity there is 1,100, so if Formby is full, that would mean 11% of inmates currently have the virus. But Hernandez says she feels for inmates and staff as well, saying nonviolent offenders should be released.
To make room, they should start paroling people out.
And while the inmates do want out, Hernandez says COVID isn't an excuse.
They want out because they don't want to die, or they don't want to get sick, or they want to be able to see their families.
There are currently 5 employees testing positive for the virus, and 134 inmates are under medical restrictions, which mean they are under restrictive housing for 14 days. Terry?